sunsets right here.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah. In review, average house price 5 million.
Jesus.
Yeah, this one just sold for 4.5. What a sound.
I haven't turned this on yet.
Sport mode.
That's the sport exhaust. Sport mode is on.
Oh,
Because I need the rev match.
I think you would have made that.
Not taking chances.
Not as risky as me. Good. That's why your car is not in the smash repairs right now. Good.
Why is the car not moving?
Sydney. Classic Sydney. Okay.
I'm gonna turn on sport exhaust.
Oh. That's so good. Have you been driving home with the top down in the when it was cold before the heat wave?
No.
Too cold, right? When I had my Merc, I would still do it, but I would push the heat on the feet.
Oh.
Such a waste of resource.
But did you have the air curtain?
No, not on the Mercedes. No. That was before the Macan. I had Mercedes.
Yeah.
Drop top. That was fine for me, eh? Feet on the heat, cold here, it was totally fine.
Oh. There might be some traffic on the bridge, but when I get out of the tunnel, there's also traffic.
Yeah. I like the bridge better, but it's just the whirly-twirly bit is so annoying. There's so much traffic there. That's the only bit I don't like. But on the bike, it's fine. I cut through everybody.
Oh.
But then it's quite windy on the bridge, and my bike is very light.
Oh.
So I'm like, ooh.
Yeah, but when there's traffic on the bridge, it's annoying because I was going up the ramp.
Yeah.
Very slowly.
Slowly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lots of clutch work.
Yeah. Super annoying. That's why you don't buy manual for Sydney. It's so good. I can feel everything on the steering as well. I can feel every little movement. So
Yeah, it's very like precise
super
steering.
precise,
Yeah.
Super. I'm not driving and I can feel it.
Because when I'm not very careful, right, I turn it a little bit.
Yes.
It's a bit dangerous.
Yes.
It's not like the BMW I had before.
Yeah. Yeah. No. Full driver assistant.
Do you want to roll up the windows?
Say again?
Do you want to roll up the windows?
Nah. If you want to for the microphone, you can. No problem.
I have a windshield, it's fine.
Okay.
Still 33 degrees. 34.
Very warm. It's a bit windy though. You can see the trees moving a lot.
It's not bad today.
Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Is it because we left early? I never leave this early.
Oh, usually 5 p.m. is alright.
Already bad?
It's not too bad.
Not too bad, yeah, right.
Because 5:30 will be.
Yeah, 5:30 is bad. That's why I take the scooter now. I can't sit there in traffic anymore. You taking me home, or we go Lane Cove and I can walk from there if you need to?
Oh, I can take you home.
Cool. Take Pacific Highway exit then.
Pacific Highway?
Yeah. It's a bit quicker to my house.
Usually, I take the M2.
Yep.
And There's so many traffic lights on Pacific Highway.
Yeah, but I come off earlier, so basically Pacific Highway is like this to my house.
Oh.
M1, M2 is like this.
Oh. So
it's a bit further, but there's no lights. But now that we're on here, it's still faster to take Pacific Highway.
So I take lane 2 of first lane. I used to live here.
Right there?
North Sydney.
North Sydney? Did you like it?
No.
No.
It's too windy.
Too windy, hey? Yeah. It's a very strange wind tunnel. A bit further is okay already. St. Leonard's is fine. Well, it's better anyway. I don't mind it better. But yeah, North Sydney I've always found strange. I don't mind in here in Milson's Point. It's quite nice.
And the supermarket around here, they don't have parking, so I have to walk over there and carry everything home.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess. Where's the main one? Greenwood Plaza or something?
Yeah, there's a Woolly Metro.
Yeah, right. That's interesting, yeah.
And even Coles, they don't have car park.
Yeah, wow. I guess it's not an area that's made for that, it's the city.
Yeah.
It's just another copy of the city, CBD. Oh, well, you have the brake lights here. What was that?
Huh? Oh, that's the lane change assistance.
Oh, lane change assist. Ah, so they didn't put on the mirror, they put it in here.
This building.
Yeah, right.
Here.
So nice when it moves. So nice. GTS.
Oh, yeah, it's a GTS. Is it inside or outside?
Outside.
Okay. Ooh.
Okay, they don't bite those ones.
The GTS has the flower petal wheels. It's very beautiful, like the one on the Spider.
We turn left there where everybody's turning.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Lucky with all, we got every orange today. It's good. But we're early orange. We got there early for orange.
This way?
Straight all the way. Winds all the way home, pretty much. And then we turn left later. So this is all big new apartment blocks for St. Leonard's. I'm thinking of buying one.
Oh.
We found a really beautiful one.
How much?
A bit expensive, I think. Actually, it's this one on the other side. So it's the only one of the blocks that faces a park.
Which direction?
Both. It faces all. So this faces back. The park is this side. So it's built on the other side, facing back this way.
East.
East, yeah. East-ish. I think it was 1.2 for a two-bedroom.
1.2, not too bad.
Too bad?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. But and I think it's going to be, I really think it's going to be the best block out of all of them.
Oh.
So this all got zoned recently for development, and so they're putting in tons. And I think this will be the best block out of all of them. Biggest apartments, and it's in like a nice street next to a park, but it's like 30 seconds from the train station, from shopping. So I think it will be quite desirable. I'm thinking of buying one. 2 years they'll be ready. So basically you live up there.
Oh.
You keep following that, you get to Via Napoli.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So it's like Via Napoli is like 200 meters just that way.
Not my favorite. I like.
Me neither. Yeah, me neither.
It seems like they have a lot of choices, but they all look the same.
Yeah. Yeah, like I don't like it, but that's it. So, welcome to Riverview. In Riverview, average house price 5 million.
Jesus.
Yeah, this one just sold for 4.5, I think.
Wow.
Literally just 3 months.
And they're old, right? Old houses.
Mostly, yes. You'll see when we get a bit further. There you can see a brand new house too. They just put them up.
5 million.
They would have paid 3.5 for old, and then paid 2 mil to put up the new house, or 1 mil to put up the new house. You'll see a couple now. Yes, not all of them are super old, so that's new. 10 years old. And we're coming up to my favourite view in Sydney, when the sun sets right here.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah. Love it. Big sun, look at that. Huge.
And also very quiet.
Super. That's why we bought it here. Quiet. Yeah, super quiet. All green. Full of birds.
Oh, that's not good.
You don't like the birds? I love them.
They get up too early.
Yes, they wake
Like
me up every day.
5 a.m.
Yeah, they wake me up.
Every time
They wake me up
5 a.m. I put on my earplugs.
Me too. Me too. Good drive. Thanks, Tommy.
No
That
problem.
was great. Just what I needed. So this is our house.
Oh.
The shittest house in Riverview. You can see it looks like a 1950s Coles building, but it's the only way we could afford it.
Yeah.
Alright. Thanks
Okay.
so much. That
No
was really
problem.
great.
See you next week.
See you next. Yeah. Oh yeah.